How's it going? It's Amari Construction here. We're here to inspect Mr. Lee's property. We just got hired to basically do the inspection. I've done a few as family and friends, and I was just highly recommended. So, just wanted to basically show you guys what I find. I thought it was best if I record basically starting from the ground and then just going up, just for in good faith purposes. This is the address of 3014 Gazebo Court, Silver Spring, Maryland, 20904. State Farm, and the date of loss was 8/3/24, and they had filed the claim on 1/28/25. Claim number is 20-79 W as in West 515 F as in Frank. You can see the address right there if you want to zoom in real quick, just so they know where we are, right above on the deck. See it?
There we go.
As of what we can see, the only thing approved on this claim was the shed. So you can see the shed right there. You see that it has missing shingles and it has wind damage. I know they recently just got hit on the 16th of February as well, where the client basically reached out to his family, and his family member who basically recommended me over and said, hey, look, I'm missing a few more shingles because of that storm and they're not covering the roof. So we're gonna go up there, we're gonna look at the damage, we're gonna basically try to see or determine, like, hey, is this wind damage or what's going on? So we're gonna go ahead and line up the ladder and we're gonna go straight up. He told me it's better access going from the deck, so that's where we're gonna go from. So let's go ahead and get that process started. So let me go ahead, put my phone away, grab the ladder. So you can see the shed. That's what you guys approved. We are going to be sending in a supplemental request depending on what we find. And we're going to go this way right here. Put this right here. I'm gonna start taking photos of the drip edge if it exists, or the ice and water barrier. It should be fine with the one bungee. Yep. Customer has ice and water barrier and has drip edge. Okay. It is also nailed through the drip edge. So we are going to need a detach and reset of the gutters. Yep, I'm gonna take some close-up photos so you can see. Yep. Perfect. Okay, And you can also see that there's flashing along the siding is here. Okay. I'm gonna start making my way up and I'll wait for you up here. Got chalk. I don't see anything as of right now, but we'll definitely make our way back. Oh wow, look at all this. Oh, there's a side creek right here. Let's make our way over here. Yeah. Let me finish this part over here.
It's a lot over here.
Oh, there's a lot of wind damage.
A lot on this side over here.
Right here.
This one right here, that was
Yep. That's a lot.
one above right there, above the to the left. Oh my gosh.
What? I gotta use different color chalk. Wow. That is insane. That is insane. Wow. There's a lot of wind damage. Look at this. What? This is insane. Wow. What the hell, man? There's one right there.
Yep.
Wow. Okay, let's count these up. Got 4 right here. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, there's another one. 21. That's insane. How was this missed? Got one right here.
This was missed?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wow. 22. Look at this. So, let me explain this. don't see anything. Okay. So this right here, when you replace this, right, this ridge is gonna touch this slope. So it's gonna be tampered with when you take this ridge vent off to replace. So this is the only section that doesn't have it, but this is all hip, this is all connected. So it has to be replaced as well. So let me write the list. Wow, man, you have to help me with the math. 22 plus 15, 37.
37.
I don't even know where to write it. There's nowhere to write.
Calculator.
I gotta write it right here. Two plus 21, 43. Sheesh. Back wind is 15 plus, what is this?
So this is 15. That's 22.
37.
37.
You got 1 plus, no, you got 2 plus 1, that's 3.
Give it a go check.
Right wind,
That's 2
plus 4, 6. Total. $43 plus 37 is a whole
80.
number. That's 80.
Yeah.
80 plus 9 is 89. 89. Damn. All right, chimney. Yes. You have to tell me the components once I have to write them down. All I see is pipe jacks. I don't see anything else. What are the sizes? Is it a 3-inch, 2-inch, or 1.5?
It looks like two 2 inches and then one 3-inch at minimal.
Drip, yes. Ice and water shield. Yes. Step flashing. Yes. Apron flashing is what wraps around the chimney. Yes. Cricket. So show that little pyramid behind the chimney.
Gotcha.
That's a chimney cricket. Two stories. Okay. So based on this inspection, State Farm, there are 89 damaged shingles that are missed. That is a very high number. We haven't seen the report yet. I literally just was told to come and do an inspection and see what I find. This definitely needs to be reconsidered. You see the damages. They're everywhere. 89 damaged shingles on any roof this size is to be highly reconsidered for a full replacement. Let me go over this list one more time. Front wind 43, right wind 6, back wind 37, left wind 3, total is 89. Chimney right behind you, okay, and it has a chimney cricket. You have drip edge, you have ice and water barrier. There's 3 pipe jacks, one is a 3-inch, there's 2 that are 2-inch. You do have step flashing, you do have apron flashing, and this house is 2 stories. We're gonna go ahead and since we're hired for this claim, we're gonna go ahead and get a service agreement signed that states that we're working on the customer's behalf to help them with this claim. And there's also a power of attorney that the customer signed, will sign when that just states that all payments will come to Amari Construction or have us as a payee. So we'll send that all over, and we'll be in contact. Let's give the customer, Mr. Lee, and his family what they deserve, and this definitely needs to be reconsidered. Thank you so much for watching.